front of me is Honor 50 Lite, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this phone. So first of all, just open the browser that you are using and you'd like to remove this data from. Then tap on More icon and select History. And here you will find clear browsing data, so just mark it. And you will find basic and advanced options here. So under basic you've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cached images and files. And then under advanced you've got a few more, which are saved passwords, out of info data, and site settings. So just mark those info that you'd like to remove, and then pick the time range. And that's it. If that's all that you would like to get rid of, just tap on clear data, and that's it. It has been done. So congrats, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.